Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. And now I'm so excited to bring you another special edition smartphone for you here. And today I bring the Tecno Spa 9Pro Sport Edition. And this time the Tecno, they worked with the BMW Design Works team. And this is a Sport Edition. So Tecno has unveiled this Spark 9 Pro Edition, in which the company says is designed for the passionate Generation Z, and the phone is designed by the Design Works, which is belong to a BMW Group company, and Design Works is responsible for the colors, materials, and designs. And this company also says that the new Spark 9 Pro Sport Edition uses the world-class automobile design with luxury touches to bring about a trendy design language and that's to create a distinguished icon for the younger generation. So actually I'm so excited cannot wait to unbox it, to check what this phone looks like and the specification about the smartphones. And today, like usual, I will we'll talk on the design and we'll talk on the specification about this model. And first, the first time when I get a smartphone, I will say the box is so attractive. It's attractive because it's have a standard and the classical two circles. They use have the design language from BMW logo, the automobile BMW logo. And yes, just like the creative director of Design Works, Andrew Dale Sales said, they working together with a company like Tecno. It's an inspiring thing, and it also gives them the opportunity to focus on another user experience. So this phone actually is so amazing. I will say amazing, and it's the masterpiece of BMW and Tecno. So next, I'm going to open it, and we will check what's inside these books. Okay, so now let's open it. Oh yeah, after we open it, we can find here same design like the in front of the books. They use the screen protector. They also use the language in the screen protector here. They use the classical BMW colors, the red, white, and red colors, and also we can get the model information, the Tecno brand name, Spark 9 Series Pro, and Special Edition. So this is even for the screen protector. They also print the classical element from the BMW. So, but before we check the smartphone, we will check the other accessories first. Okay, on the smartphone here. Oh, okay. So this is a hard plastic case, not transparent, but kind of sand polish feelings case. Okay, it's so not so high end. Also, here is the user menu, and also here. Okay, so this is the charger. Yes, this is a Tecno 9 Pro charger. And this time they provide 18-watt fast charger for this 5000 battery smartphone. And also here another small box. And okay, here inside this box we can get a SIM card ejector here. Okay, it's not like it doesn't use the normal designed SIM card ejector, but it's also it have a rectangle here. It's not the circle shape. Okay, so this is a SIM card ejector, and also here it's a Type-C to USB cable, and they provide a earphone for earphone. So okay, so this is the stuff inside these books. And okay, so this is all the stuff inside this smartphone box, and let's put them aside and go to check the smartphone itself. Okay. Okay, so now let's go to the smartphone. Whoa! So here, the phone was protected by a plastic screen protector, and let's get out of the phone first. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so now, whoa. Get the phone out of the screen protector, and finally the smartphone is in front of us. Whoa, it's so shiny. The back panel is so amazing, and the color, the material, and designs, I will say, I love it. I love the diamond cutting thorns here, and it's shining like a diamond. And also for the camera dome, this and this, just like the printed on the box, and the screen protector is similar to the BMW, the automobile car logo, and they use the red, blue, and white colors. So this is it's pretty cool, and it can have a very good and very creative inspiration from the cars, and also they empower this maybe I will not say high end, this middle end smartphone with luxury style and classical BMW element. Yeah, I really like the diamond cutting zone here. It's shining. It's so cool. Do you like this? Maybe you can let me know your thoughts about the design. And actually, there are a lot of BMW. I remember that's another brand also worked with BMW Group, but Moto Group is iQOO, and they also use the Glasgow red, blue, white colors in front of the back panels, and it's here. Today I have a iQOO 7 Pro. As you can see, this one, the left one, is from iQOO and also worked with BMW, Moto Sport, and here is the classical lines from BMW, but also it's not so shining, and the feelings is more low key. But also here is looks more luxurious for the Tecno Spark 9Pro, and also. Besides the design of this phone, we want to talk on the specification about this device. Yes, first, the camera part is our triple rear camera system, and the 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel deep lens. And also they have when we go to front part, we got the screen. We can find that it's a water drop screen, and they use the 35 megapixel front camera. So this is also cool. They can provide a high quality and vivid and cleaner front self pictures. And also for the batteries, our 5,000 big batteries with a 18 watt fast charging. So this is also cool. And also for the screen, the house is a 6.6 inch IPS Full HD Plus screen, and we can also go to the settings to check the processor about this device. Here, Hello G85. So from the specification of the screen, camera, and the processor, we will know that this is not the high end. It's just a low to middle ranged end smartphone, but the design actually is, in fact, I love it. It's very, very unique. And also this maybe for this edition is only loved now on Latin America and Africa. I think that is why the price is not so high, because most of the customers from these regions are not so to acceptable the high price product. So these phones are really cost effective and competitive compared to the other models. I mean, yeah. And for the RAM and ROM, we can also find it here. It's our 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB ROM, combination of RAM and ROM. and this is also good, and they use the Hello OS, Hi OS is based on the Android 12. Yeah, a lot of information here. Oh, the shining parts. I can also take a picture to show the quality of the camera here. AI camera. No, it's AI camera. Okay, take the front camera. Okay, here short videos. So this provide a special mode for the short videos. Short video, AI camera, beauty, portrait, super light. Okay, now let's check the quality of the pictures. So this is from the front one. It's not so. I can zoom to check it. It's not so good, but it's acceptable because when I zoom it, we can get some details. But it's the light is not so bright. It's dark. Here we can find that it's not so bright. Okay, here also the front one is okay, and it's not lose too many original colors, and details is also okay. Okay, so it's middle range smartphone for have a middle end smartphone, middle end quality camera qualities, and yeah. So this is a very quick and fast unboxing video about this model from the Tecno Spark 9 Pro, we designed by the BMW group. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.